Unboxing a new selfie stand with ring light with an adjustable cell phone gripper. The packaging was great. Everything was organized in the box. No damage, nothing missing. Everything will be linked in the description so you can check out my storefront if you want to click on the link and get more information on the products. This stand, by the way, super sturdy. Oh my goodness. I've had one before and everything just kind of slid down. This one has been holding up. It just feels so sturdy. It's really awesome. This has the different settings: warm tones, cool, bright. You can turn it on and off with the USB cord. This is the wireless remote, and it comes with a little lanyard right here. You can just put it on there, tie it, pull it through, tie it on, however you want to do it. This is a part that I love. It's an adjustable phone grip, so you can move it up and down on the stand, closer to the light, lower, wherever you need it. I'll show you that at the very end, but here it is, testing out the brightness.
Wow.
That wow, because I was not expecting it to be that bright. And you can turn it, you can dim it, put it on the cool settings, warm settings, whichever lighting you're needing. And here's a little more info on the gripper. So it has like this little spot, and yeah, you can put it anywhere on there. It's awesome. It's perfect. Everything is linked in the description. Hope you enjoyed.